shake. Good afternoon, everybody. Afternoon. Okay. Somebody please help me to turn on the LCD, please. Kus. Okay. Okay, are you ready for today?
Yes, already.
Okay, I need you, one of you, the leader. Who's the leader? Mr. Bagas? Bagus?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Bagus, please lead us to pray together. Go on.
Yes. Attention, please. Let's bow our heads. Pray, start. Finish.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Okay, I'm doing great today. First of all, I would like to take attendance first, ya. Brady, sebentar. F plus 11.
11. Yes.
Okay, wait. F plus 11. Okay. Aditya Pasha Novaisa.
Yeah. Don't be afraid and only do much.
Oh, very nice. Okay, next. Agadira Sultan Marendra. Where are you? Dispan?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Olivia Riswanda Nareswari.
Yes.
Yes.
Fake it till you make it me.
Okay, fake it till you make it.
Yes.
Good. Okay, next. Alia Fadia. Okay.
Action with intention every time.
Oh yes. Give applause, please. Okay, next. Amanda Regita Olinuha. Okay. Oh, strong. Keep strong. Okay, thank you, Amanda. Next, we have Bagus Razaki.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Keep the spirit and don't give up.
Oh, yes. Very good. Next, Chandra Ayu Nurwidyasari. Okay. Okay, very good. Give applause to Chandra, everybody. Next, we have Dea Dwi Hanggreni.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Don't trust everything you see at the top. Looks like sugar.
Oh, everything looks like sugar. Sip. Dea, thank you. Next, Dian Setiawati.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Enjoy the little things.
Enjoy the little things. Simple, ya. Okay, very good. Thank you, Dea. Next, Dian. Dwi Hastuti. Yeah.
Believe you can and you're afraid that.
Okay, very good, Dwi. Next, we have Anesia Clara Karina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Smile is the contagious.
Yes, contagious. Okay, thank you. Fazila Arsyan, dispen ya?
Yes.
Oke. Fauzan Kalunangga, dispen juga? Oke. Banyak yang dispen hari ini ya.
Yes.
Gozia Salma. Oke. Oke, very good Salma. Deep meaning ya itu. Indah Pertiwi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ya.
Always I'm with you after the smile on my face.
Very good. Our singer ini ya. Next, Jasmine. Sik ya kayaknya, sakit ya. Oh ya. Oke, let's move to Jelita Siva Andara. Ya. Oh, thank you Jelita. Next we have Lila Husnul Khotimah. Ya. Oke, fokus to progress. Oke, very good, very good. Thank you Lila. Next we have Muhammad Fauzi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ya.
Explore.
Okay, calm down.
Explore, learn, grow, and repeat.
Oh, very good. Oke. Tadi Fauzi udah ya. Nabila Azhara. Oh ya. Everything will be fine. Okay. Next we have Nurul Hidayati. Ya. Become to yourself. Be yourself. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Let's give applause everybody. Next, Praditya Arya Mahendra. Ya.
Win, create, and inspire.
Very good. Next, Putra Dwi Karisma. Okay, Mr. Putra. Very good. Raihanun Nur Hasna. Okay. Okay, the future will be better than the past. Very good. Next, Regina Puspaningrum. Yep.
You don't have to be perfect to try.
Oh, try it. Very good. Okay. Rizky Adelia Sutrisno. Okay. The problem? Mentally. Okay. Yo, very good. Next. Sawa Yusriani. Sawa Yusriani Putria Susilo. Okay.
Success is a choice, not a chance.
Success is a choice, not a chance. Okay, very good. Give some applause, everybody. Next, we have Serlina Atalia Widya Fatihah. Is it right? Okay.
Whatever you are, be a good one.
Whatever it be a good one. Okay, be a good one. Very good. Susan Eka Rahmawati. Yeah. Hey, be yourself, be beautiful. Very good. Next, Syujaah Putri Pambajeng. Yeah. Okay. Wow, be a good one. Okay. Talita Indriani. Yeah. Possible is just an opinion. Okay, very good. Dan Tiara Cahya Mentari. Yeah. Be yourself, not someone else. Very good. Next, we have Omi Karimah. Yeah. It's okay.
Be yourself. Everyone else is taken.
Okay, be yourself. Very good. Okay, so be confident ya. Next, the last, Zulfa Amelia Rohlani. Oh yes, very good. Oke, bagus sekali ya. Tapi Bu Anissa juga punya loh ini. Sebentar. Love is not just finding a perfect person, but love is seeing imperfect person perfectly. Jadi malu saya. Oke, before we get to our material, I would like to give you our objective today. Jadi sebelum nanti kita masuk ke pembelajaran, saya mau kasih tahu dulu tujuan pembelajaran kita pada pagi hari ini. Siang ya. Okay. So, today we're gonna learn to make a comic or storyboard, ya. Nah, jadi yang diharapkan nanti setelah kita membuat komik, yaitu coba perhatikan yang paling bawah ini, peserta didik mampu menceritakan ulang cerita pendek baik dalam bentuk monolog, dialog maupun infografik yang telah dibuat dengan memperhatikan tujuan komunikatif, struktur teks, dan ciri-ciri kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai konteks. Begitu ya. Jadi kalian nanti diharapkan bisa membuat komik sesuai dengan struktur bahasanya, struktur teksnya seperti apa, begitu. Jadi hal tersebut akan membuat pembaca lebih menarik ya untuk bisa ini komik apa ya? Komik naratif. Wah, bagus sekali ya. Menarik perhatian para reader seperti
Yes.
itu ya. Paham nggak untuk tujuan pembelajaran kita pada pagi hari ini? Okay. After doing this attendance, so kayaknya pada lemes ini ya.
Yes, so
Okay.
tired, ma'am.
What about doing some ice breaking? Yeah. Okay. Who want to join me to lead the ice breaking?
Me.
Okay, come here.
Yes,
One of you, come.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Okay. I love ice breaking ya, make it you more semangat. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So, you want to join me to lead your friends?
Yes, of course.
Or maybe you want to take over the ice breaking?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What will you do?
I will do a Simon Says game.
Okay. Go on.
Okay, so hi everyone. Hi. Now I'm gonna take over the class for ice breaking, right, Miss Indah? Okay. Okay, now we're gonna do a Simon Says game. Do you guys know what is a Simon Says game?
What is it?
No, so I will give you an instruction, but if I don't say Simon Says, you don't do it. Understand? I will give an example. Indah, I'll be the instructor and you will do anything I say, okay?
Okay.
Simon says hands up. Hands down. Okay, if I don't say Simon says, then you don't have to do my instruction. Understand, everyone? Okay, understand.
Should we stand up or?
Yes, Simon says
Okay,
stand up.
stand up.
Okay, stand up, everyone. Okay. Simon says jump to the left.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Konsentrasi. Concentrate.
Okay, concentrate. Simon says touch your nose. Now touch your ears.
Okay.
Which one is wrong?
She doesn't say that. Simon says. Please come forward.
Okay, come here, Putra. Come here.
Come in here. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Come here.
Okay.
Okay. Just stand up here.
Stand up here.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. Oh, gone.
Okay, next. Simon says, Simon says apa?
Okay.
Simon says, Simon says okay. Simon says hands down. Yes.
Simon says.
Simon says jump to the right. Okay.
Jump to the right.
And sit down. Okay.
Very
good. Again, miss?
It's okay. Go on.
Okay.
You have one more.
Simon says, hug your friends. Oh my God.
Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you, Wanda. Miss. Okay, everybody give applause to us. Okay, Miss Putra, thank you. Miss Putra, Mr. Putra, thank you ya. Oke, guys, gimana? Sudah lebih bersemangat? Sudah ya. Oke, kalau sudah, now I will give you a video. You have to watch it carefully and understanding what the content of the video. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here is it. Aduh.
Imagine a world where you never need to smell the fumes of passing car, bus, or truck. and our traffic noise is massively reduced. Imagine a world powered by something called touch, which will be abundant for billions of years. Imagine a world where every single home has electricity, no matter how far it is from the grid. That's the future beyond fossil fuels. Imagine governments no longer needing to subsidize fossil fuel production or spend fortunes protecting their underground fuel sources, pipes, and transmission lines. Trillions of taxpayer dollars are freed up. Smog and greenhouse gases plummet. Public health improves. This healthy future is closer than you think. Our energy system is undergoing an unstoppable transformation. The coal-fired power industry that took a century to build is being rapidly replaced by sun and wind power, forces of nature which cannot be dug out of the ground or sold on commodity markets. In this totally fossil fuel-free world, electricity belongs to everyone. It's homegrown in the true sense, bringing power to the 1.3 billion people who are currently inexcusably without it. The Paris Climate Agreement bound nations of the world to work peacefully for a fossil fuel-free economy. But we need to move fast. We must harness the power of the sun and work at the speed of light. Our collective mission is to bend the curve of emissions now, so that renewable energy outcompetes fossil fuels as the best new source of energy in all markets around the world by 2020. So let's thank fossil fuels for all they have done. Their contribution to humanity has been nothing short of extraordinary. However, now that we understand the dangers and the side effects and have exciting, everlasting alternatives, it is time to retire them from tow. The journey to our fossil fuel-free future is the most exciting, the most innovative, the most necessary, the most inclusive and far-reaching global transformation we have ever seen. This is the answer to so many challenges in the world, the energy utopia. The only question now is, how quickly can we get there?
Okay.
For watching. Don't forget.
I still have one more thing, but it is not a video. Look at this one. Can you read it?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
the conversation here. Can you read it? Okay, now I want you to take a look, pay attention to the comic, and then read the comic to understand what the content of the conversation. Okay, now just go on, read the comic.
The destination is Peru versus discovered values from here. A reality my parents always has with it's so refreshing.
Okay, have you done?
Not yet. Let's use to produce electricity energy. So let's
Oke, belakang kelihatan ya? Yes, oke.
Water energy can be used as motion energy as water. Water can drive the world turbines so they can produce it's called water.
Have you finished?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I will give you some questions that you have to answer it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Here's the question. What is the similarity between the video and the comic? What is the similarity between the video and the comic? Who wants to answer my questions? Okay, Sawa, what's your answer?
So the similarity of the video and the comic is both of them are talking about the use of alternative energy. The video talk about the use of alternative energy in a modern city, while the comic talks about the use of the alternative energy in a village, which is a water wheel.
Okay, water wells. Okay, very good, Salwa. Everybody, please give Salwa applause for the answer. Okay, thank you, Salwa. Next, I still have two questions for you. Wait, here you are. After you read the comic, tell me your opinion. How can picture and words work together to tell the story? I repeat, after you read the comic, tell me your opinion. How can the picture and words work together to tell the story? Who wants to answer my question? Okay, Nana, wait. Here you are.
Okay, my answer is picture and words help each other. The words explain the story, and the pictures show what's happening. It's easier to understand the story when we have both.
Okay, very good. Very good answer, Nana. Everybody, please, Nana, applause. Okay. Okay, I still have one more questions. Be ready. Tell me with your own words, in your opinion, how can the comic structure helps reader to understanding the plot? I repeat, tell me your own words. How can the comic structure helps reader to understanding the plot? Who wants to answer my questions?
Me.
Okay, Wanda, give me your answer.
Okay, so in my opinion, the pictures made it easier to follow the story. I can see what's happening to the story
Yeah.
without too many words, and I can see the emotion of the characters clearly.
Okay,
Yes.
that's a very good answer. Okay, give applause again to you all. Okay, sangat bagus sekali. Kalian sudah mencermati apa yang sudah saya berikan tadi. Okay, next. Before we start our comic, I need you to do this diagnostic test. So you have to write down the answer on your own book. You do not need to write the question, just write the answers. Okay, there are 10 questions. You are not allowed to open your handphone. Just answer it with your own knowledge. Yeah, just answer it with your own knowledge. Do not open your device to find the answers. Okay? Do you get it?
Yes, get it.
Okay, go on. Silahkan dikerjakan.
You still have 10 minutes.
Okay, we still have 10 minutes. Just do based on your own knowledge. Do not open your handphone. I think it's easy for you. Sudah selesai?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let me see.
Yes.
Okay, it's very good. Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you. Just wait for your friend ya. Okay. Bagus, sudah selesai? Okay, let me see.
Yes.
Okay, what is narrative? Okay, it's legend. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. Have you done? Belum? Oh, sudah. Okay, let me see. Okay, very good. Ya, tunggu temannya ya. Oke, sebelah sana ada yang sudah selesai? Sudah? Oke, let me see. Okay. Oh yeah. Story for work of affections, yes. Okay. Kamu sudah? Okay, let me see. Fairy tale. Okay. Yang sudah siapa? Okay, let me see. Okay, the story, you know, it's funny story, fable, legend. Okay, the general structure was orientation, complication. Very good. Okay. Yeah, short story, fable, science fiction. Okay, very good. Yang lain? Sudah? Coba lihat. Okay. Legend, fiction, Cinderella, Snow White. Okay. Yes, is it good? Yes. Okay. I like the author's works. Okay, very good. Sama, sudah selesai? Okay. What do you know about the narrative? Okay. Okay. Sebentar. Sudah selesai, Mbak? Let me see. Okay, I like reading. Okay. Reading comics. Okay, that's your favorite. Sudah? Okay, let me see. Oh ya, kalian sudah mulai mengerti ternyata ya. Ini sama dengan kelas 11 kemarin ya. Kalian kelas 11 kemarin dapat naratif juga. Yes, oke. Saya lihat sudah cukup mengerti kalian, but I need you to know that narrative is not only fables and fairy tales, ya, tidak hanya itu. Dan ternyata naratif itu ada semacam short story. If you have read the newspaper, there's so many short story there. Ya, di sana ada banyak short story. Okay, read this one. People usually read short story in newspaper, magazine, and it also belongs to narrative. Jadi, yang dimaksud dengan naratif itu adalah anything with the problems, ya. And it should be find the resolution to solve the problem. Jadi ada masalah dan diselesaikan. Dan yang menarik dari naratif ini adalah ya masalah itu. Jadi yang menarik membaca itu kalau ada masalah terus nanti diselesaikan. Penyelesaiannya bagaimana? Nah, di situ yang akan kita ulik pada komik kali ini adalah bagian yang ini, ya, naratif yang ini. Oke, you understand what I mean? Oke, jadi nanti kita hanya akan memberikan flashback aja. Kita flashback materi yang kemarin, yang di kelas 11 kemarin, karena kita hari ini fokusnya akan membuat komik. Jadi nanti Bu Anissa akan memberikan satu undian, ya, untuk kalian bikin grup. There are 9 groups. It consists of 4 member, ya. So here you are. Here's the number of group. You have to pick it one. Jadi nanti ambil satu-satu. Jangan dibuka dulu sebelum teman kalian selesai mengambilnya. Oke? Can we start now? Okay. From here. Only one. Okay. Okay, pick one. Udah ya? Sebelah sini. Mbak, ambil satu. Ambil. Oke. Tasnya. Sudah? Belum. Pick one. Pick one. Oke, ada yang belum? Sudah ya? Oke, karena tadi ada banyak yang di-span, jadi ini masih beberapa. Now, let's open the paper. Take a look. What number you are? Silahkan dibuka. Sudah? Okay, open up the paper and what numbers do you get? Okay, Now I want to shout. Who has the first number? Number 1. Raise your hand. Number 1, raise your hand. Okay. Three members. It's okay. And then number 2. 3. Also 3. Okay. Group 3. Who has number 3? Okay. 4. 4. Who got number 4? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Who got number 5? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Number 6. 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 4 ya. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 7 ya tadi. 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Berarti nanti teman-teman yang tidak masuk nanti ambil minggu depan boleh diambilkan dari kotak ajaibnya Bu Anissa. Okay. Now let's move to your same number with your friends. Do not make noise ya. Silahkan cari teman satu nomor kalian. And do not make noise. Silahkan move on. Move on. Move on. Bikin berputar ya, berputar aja. Nah, kamu di sini nggak apa-apa. Sudah cek temannya, nomornya sama enggak? Sudah ya? Okay, now listen to me. Lihat di depan. Seperti yang saya sudah katakan tadi, short story itu tidak hanya fabel, fabel, fairy tales, legend seperti itu. Tapi ternyata short story, cerita-cerita yang ada di newspaper, cerita pendek, dan ada problem solving, ada masalahnya itu juga termasuk ke narrative. Oke. Okay. Do you remember the social function of narrative text? Oke, kita breaknya nanti ya. Ya, nggak apa-apa ya. It's okay. Baik, sekarang perhatikan. Silakan. Remember the function of the narrative text. Saya. Where are you, Salva? Okay. What's the function of the narrative text?
The function of narrative text is to amuse or entertain the readers and to teach moral lessons through the story.
Okay, very good. Sekarang ada yang ingat nggak generic structure-nya apa? Coba diingat-ingat. Yang pertama kemarin ada apa ya? Orientation. Ada orientation. The content of orientation apa?
Introduce the character.
Okay, characters. Dan apa lagi? Setting?
Setting and situation.
Place, tempat. Ya, apa lagi? Time, situation. Okay, that is apa tadi?
Orientation.
Oh, orientation. Okay, next. Setelah orientation apa?
Complication.
Complication. Isinya apa? Complication. Problem. Starting problem. Yeah, starting problem is on the complication. Next, ada apa lagi? Evaluation. Apa isinya?
Solution. Solution.
Climax or solution? Klimaksnya ya? Ya, klimaksnya. Next, ada apa lagi? Resolution isinya apa resolution? Problem solving. Terus ada kodenya nggak? Ada. Isinya apa tuh kode itu? Amanat. Oke, nasihat ya, advice. Ya. Here you are. The general structure of narrative text. The first one is orientation. Betul ya. Orientation consists of introduce the characters, setting, and the situation of the text. Ya, jadi nanti di paragraf pertama itu kalian isikan karakternya siapa aja di situ. And then setting tempatnya. Biasanya di dalam teks itu disebutkan nama dari wilayahnya. Misalkan Sukamaju Village, like that. Mungkin Wonogiri Regency, Sukoharjo Regency, seperti itu, ya kan? Next, kita ada complication. Present the main problem or conflict. Jadi awal mula masalahnya diceritakan di paragraf ini. Di paragraf complication. Next ada apa itu, Sar? Evaluation isinya apa? Klimaksnya ya, klimaks masalahnya. Jadi di sini kita mainnya di sini biar pembaca itu bisa tertarik membaca komik kita. Jadi kita buat klimaksnya itu se-complicated mungkin. Ya, seperti itu. Next ada evaluation. Next lagi apa setelah evaluation? Tadi apa? Resolution. Ya, resolution and coda. Resolution itu shows how the problem or conflict resolve ya. Jadi problem solvingnya apa itu ada di resolution. Biasanya di resolution ini itu ada apa namanya kesimpulan. Jadi tidak harus kita satu paragraf untuk koda, tidak, kodanya bisa masuk ke resolution. Jadi ini yang di koda ini adalah optional, bisa dipakai bisa enggak ya. Jadi nanti kesimpulan moral value-nya nanti bisa masuk ke resolution seperti itu ya. Setelah generic structure, coba diingat-ingat kalau naratif teks itu we use present tense or past tense. Past tense. Do you remember what kind of past tense? The example of past tense. Contohnya apa? Using was for adjective. Kalau yang verb to ya. Kita pakai verb 2. Kita lihat the language features of narrative text. We use past tense. Subject verb to or maybe subject was verb and adjective seperti itu. Selain past tense kita pakai apa, Say? Action verb. What is action verb? What is action verb?
Kata kerja yang bergerak.
Kata kerja yang Where's the mic? Mic-nya dari mana? Okay. Apa? Something that have action, sesuatu yang ada aksinya. Contohnya di situ sudah ada apa? Run, jump, eat, semua ada aksinya, ya kan? And then cried, laughed, seperti itu. Next ada direct speech-nya, ada dialog ya. Biasanya kalau naratif teks itu banyak sekali ada kalimat langsungnya. Ya, itu pernah selalu kita lihat di naratif teks. Lalu di situ ada descriptive language. Di situ kita ada adverb, Say. Adverb yang digunakan itu bisa adverb of time, ada juga adverb of place. Adverb of time yang namanya past itu pasti ada yesterday, ada last night, recently. Maaf, itu yang today enggak ya. Today, now itu enggak ya. Nah, later than, nah seperti itu. Kalau adverb of place apa? Keterangan tempat. Ya, jadi nanti di situ ada keterangan tempat. At school, at the village, at the river, seperti itu. Itu maksudnya ke adverb of place. Lalu yang terakhir ada time conjunction. Apa time conjunction? Time connective and time conjunction. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia itu dan lalu itu apa namanya? Konjungsi. Kata hubung. Nah, di sini kita nanti juga pakai, di situ kita ada then, after, later, when, itu time connective ya. Dan conjunction, kata hubung. Kata hubungnya sama, ada but, because, however, seperti itu. Oke, sampai di sini paham? Any question? Tidak ada? Tidak ada. Nah, sekarang kalau tidak ada, I'll give you assignment to make a comic. But first of all, you have to write down the setting map. Sebelum bikin komik, kalian bikin setting mapnya dulu, ya. Tapi nanti setting map itu kalian kerjakan di online paper yang akan saya berikan ke kalian, ya. Nanti saya berikan link ke Bagus ya, Mas Bagus. Nanti tolong linknya di share ke teman-teman. Ya, seperti ini. Nanti jadi per kelompok, kalian cukup klik link ini saja, lalu dikerjakan, ya. Lalu dikerjakan di dalamnya. Isinya seperti ini. Oke, kelihatan dari belakang? Oke. Jadi nanti setiap kelompok nanti kalian tuliskan di dalam link tersebut. We don't need paper ya, we don't need paper. We just need your device, handphone. Jadi kalian pakai handphone kalian masing-masing. Nanti dibagi. You have to divide the text. Who is doing the complication? Siapa yang mengerjakan complicationnya? Siapa yang mengerjakan resolutionnya? Seperti itu. Nah, yang wajib diisi di sini ada kelas, nomor, ya, itu wajib. Terus grup member, kamu tuliskan siapa saja yang ada di grup kalian. Next, decide the topic. Topiknya apa? Judulnya apa? Ingat, pembuatan komik ini harus bertemakan energi alternatif. Ya, alternatif energi atau energi yang terbarukan. Temanya itu, tidak boleh yang lain. Lalu kita move to the character. Karakter tadi masuk yang generic structure yang apa, saya? Orientation ya. Kita masuk di orientationnya dulu. Di karakter ini, decide who are the characters will you show on your text ya. Ada berapa karakter? Misal kalau dimasukkan dua, misal Mrs. Anissa dan Mr. X. Di who are they ini, nanti kamu tuliskan saja Mrs. Anissa and Mr. X. Namanya siapa? Begitu. Lalu, what does the characters looks like? Itu isinya sifat mereka seperti apa. Dan juga mungkin ciri-ciri mereka seperti apa. Misal, Mrs. Anissa, selfish, fat, not kind people, kind of the worst people, misal seperti itu. Kamu tuliskan di sini, di what does the characters look like. Itu untuk yang characters ya. Lalu di bawahnya kita masuk ke setting tempat dan waktu. Yang bagian where, kamu tuliskan tempatnya di mana. Tadi saya bilang, tempatnya harus ada nama. Contohnya seperti Sukamaju Village, Sukasedih Village, seperti itu ya. Sukaharjo Regency. It should be clear on there. When, kapan? Bu, misal mau saya tuliskan 2 years ago. Boleh. Or maybe on January to November. Boleh. It's okay. Yang penting itu menerangkan waktu kapan terjadinya teks yang kamu buat. Seperti itu. Ya. Next, di bawahnya kita masuk ke konflik. Aduh. Nah, di konflik ini, you just write the point of the conflict. Do not write in a paragraph. Just write down with the point, maaf. Tulis saja poin-poinnya. 1, 2, 3 apa gitu. Lalu, kenapa itu bisa terjadi? Alasannya apa problem itu terjadi? Kamu tuliskan secara poin saja di conflict map. Seperti itu. Bawahnya sekarang, resolution. Kamu tulis di kotak yang sebelahnya saja ini nanti. Ya, resolution tadi apa? Penyelesaian masalah. Oke. Di sini nanti bisa kamu masukkan moral value-nya. Boleh ditaruh sini, ya. Sekarang, setelah setting map poin-poinnya selesai, nah ini nanti yang harus dibagi. Siapa yang jatah nulis orientation? Siapa yang kebagian complication-nya, nulis di complication? Nah, ini nanti isinya paragraf. Jadi dari poin yang tadi diturunkan, kalian elaborate sendiri menjadi satu paragraf, ya. Paling nggak satu paragraf. Complication satu paragraf, resolution satu paragraf, seperti itu ya. Sampai dengan, nah di sini kode saya tulis optional, boleh diisi, boleh tidak. Tapi misal tidak diisi, you should write on the resolution column. Ya, kalau kodenya tidak diisi, kamu tuliskan di resolution. Begitu. Nah, terakhirnya nanti setelah ini selesai, baru kalian bikin komiknya. Setelah setting map selesai, kalian bikin komiknya. Ya, komiknya nanti bisa dibuat 4 panel sama seperti di buku paket on page 9. You may open your packet. Ya, buku paket halaman 9. Coba dibuka dulu. Halaman 9 itu ada 4 panel. Ya, ada 4 kotak. Halaman 9. Ada 4 kotak. Jadi di kotak pertama itu nanti isinya adalah orientation, pengenalan tokoh. Tadi sudah ditulis, tokohnya ada berapa sudah ditulis di setting map. Nah, itu dimasukkan di panel pertama. Yang kedua isinya apa setelah orientation tadi? Complication. Awal mula masalahnya. Ya, awal mula masalahnya itu ada di panel kedua. And then panel ketiga resolution atau evaluation. Ya, evaluation dulu ya. Evaluation dulu, klimaksnya digambarkan di situ, dan terakhir ada resolution. Minimal ada 4 itu di komiknya. And you may use AI generator. Boleh pakai AI generator. Ya. Silakan kamu pakai apa, terserah untuk menunjang kinerja kamu dalam membuat tugas. Begitu. Ya. Bisa dimengerti? Can we do now? Bisa, silakan dikerjakan. We still have more minutes. 30 minutes enough? Enggak ya? Oh ya, masih banyak, masih lama. Oke, silakan dikerjakan. Nanti saya berputar. Kalau misalkan nanti ada yang mau tanya, silakan ditanyakan. Begitu ya? Bisa kita mulai? Oke, silakan. Silakan dikerjakan. Yang mau ke belakang boleh, silakan ke belakang dulu.
Saatnya jam kelima dimulai.
Ya, apa?
Boleh pakai laptop.
Using laptop? It's okay. You may open your laptop. Yeah. Do you bring it? Bawah? Oh ya. Ya, silakan. Boleh. Gimana? Ada kesulitan? Belum? Ya, dilanjut ya. Oke. Komiknya pakai apa?
Pakai ChatGPT dulu.
Oh ya. Chrome-nya pakai ChatGPT.
Nanti dia bisa ini, cuma kalau di ChatGPT tuh agak miss gitu loh. Miss. Nah ini kan seharusnya Peter ini bukan Spanish. Dia kan ini
It should be English ya. Tapi ini bahasanya.
Iya ini belum
Oh,
kali,
iya.
nanti harus diedit ulang lagi seperti ini.
Ya. Oke. Go on ya. Silakan. Ya.
May I go to the toilet?
Oke, you may go there. Silakan. Okay, listen to me. Everybody listen to me. Yeah. Okay, of course. Go on. Okay, sambil dikerjakan, sambil diperhatikan. If you have finished your comic, you may scan this barcode, ya. Terus nanti komiknya kamu save ke JPEG. Kamu upload dulu di drive kalian masing-masing. Setelah itu send it to this barcode. Jadi nanti ada form. Saya cuma butuh linknya saja. Ya. Jadi nanti kamu upload dulu di drive, JPEG, PNG, gambar komik kalian, baru nanti kalian kumpulkan ke sini. Iya, betul. Linknya. Tapi jangan Canva terus link Canva itu dikasih sini ya. Harus di-download jadi JPEG dulu atau PNG. Begitu. Allahu Akbar.
Ambeknya nek kat awal.
Yang sudah selesai bisa dikirim ke linknya. Ya. Ya, ini sudah ada beberapa yang sudah mengumpulkan ya. Kita lihat. Silent please. Okay. Let's see about the generic structure. Can you see it? Sudah sesuai dengan generic structure atau belum itu? Sudah ada orientationnya? Ada tidak itu? Sudah ada orientationnya? Tidak dijelaskan ya? Ya, tidak disebutkan nama atau apa, tidak dijelaskan. Oke. Lalu complication. Di situ tertulis I got homework, make something from renewable energy. You look confused, what's the matter? Oke, itu masuk ke apa namanya? Complication. Ya, complication. Lalu evaluationnya apa? I don't know what to make ya. Oke. Lalu tadawa itu sudah ke resolution, is it right? Ya. Jadi yang tidak disebutkan di situ adalah orientationnya. Oke. Let's move to the other. Aduh, nggak kelihatan nih. Pokoknya
Enggak.
kelihatan nggak? Tak gedein lagi ya.
Ya, kelihatan.
Okay, when Bayu and Lia were filling up their gas tank when they arrived at the gas station. Ada nggak itu yang orientationnya?
Ada.
What is it? Bayu and Lia. Oke, orientation ada ya. Setelah orientation tadi ada complication. Complicationnya apa itu? How many liters is fuel? Oke, kita lihat lagi. Well, the price of gasoline is increasing, so the total amount is 50,000 rupiahs. They ask what makes them curious and surprised. Mereka kaget. Ya. Why is the price of gasoline so expensive? So maybe it's also because the supply of petroleum is getting thinner. Oh, the problem is that petroleum is not the latest energy. Oh, so that's called non-renewable energy. What is that? We just heard on non-renewable. What is non-renewable energy? Di sini dijelaskan. Lalu oke, jadi di sini complication-nya tentang apa kira-kira? Menurut kalian? Si Bayu and siapa tadi? Lia ini ingin dijelaskan apa itu non-renewable energy. Lalu resolution-nya adalah si pegawai SPBU ini giving explanation about what is the non-renewable energy. Begitu. Sudah sesuai atau belum? Sudah sesuai generic structure atau belum? Sudah. Oke. Really? Yes, glad I could help you. Okay. It's okay. Next. For the next. Okay.
Pikirannya dan kok sini enak menggambar duit ya?
Waduh.
Cuma kok cukup delek ya?
Masih kurang lagi, masih pecah. Ya, wait. Gimana? Wes raiso ya. Hi class, how are you today? You are going to learn about non-renewable energy, alternative energy. Okay, has anyone ever heard of biosolar? Okay. Oke, di sini menurut kalian ini sudah sesuai dengan generic structure-nya belum? Sudah belum kira-kira? Sudah belum ini? Belum ya? Belum ya? Oke, masih apa namanya? Hanya menjelaskan tentang what is biosolar seperti itu. Belum ya? Belum. Oke, punya siapa ini tadi? Next. A village that does not yet have electricity has a river that flow fast. Ini ada setting tempatnya, ada a village. Terus, what if we make the water turbine so that our village can be bright? Our village is always dark. Dia di sini bikin water turbine, water wheels mungkin ya di sini nanti. Nah, oke. Jadi menurut kalian di sini klimaksnya apa? Klimaksnya di bagian apa ini? The village is always dark. Yeah. So they have solution. What solution? Making water turbine from the river flow, ya. Di sini dia memanfaatkan sungainya dan mereka bikin water turbine. That's the solution. Ya, akhirnya the village already bright thanks to the effort of the villagers, seperti itu. Masuk nggak kira-kira ini? Masuk di generic structure-nya nggak? Iya. Karakternya ada nggak di situ? Really? What about the villagers? Penduduk desa? Disebutkan tetapi tidak di dalam panel yang depan, ya. Yang di panel depan ini hanya disebutkan setting tempatnya saja, seperti itu, ya. Oke, ada kesulitan? Any difficulty? Have you finished? Not yet. Oke, yang tadi sudah saya lihat ya seperti itu. Mungkin ada yang mau dievaluasi lagi. Kalau biasanya itu pakai AI generator dulu, ya. Terus nanti kan di AI generator itu tidak ada balon Ya ini balon-balonnya ini tadi. Nah itu biasanya nanti you make it with Canva. Rata-rata pada pakai itu, seperti itu. Atau mungkin ada comic generator juga. Tapi kalau di comic generator itu nanti yang balon conversation-nya bahasanya berantakan. Jadi tetap masih harus edit lagi. Apa? Itu apa itu?
Tadi mau ganti warna balonnya, jadi kan ini tulisannya tuh jalan itu belum benar.
Iya, nggak apa-apa. Pakainya apa itu?
ChatGPT.
Oh, ChatGPT. Oke, sip. Okay, I seriously asking you. Coba, saya mau nanya. According to you, which is more interesting? Making narrative text or making comic in narrative? Which one? Which one is interesting to you? Which one is more interesting according to your opinion? Making text or making comic? Making comic. Why making comic is more interesting? Is it challenging?
Yes.
Or is it apa ya?
Lebih menarik karena gambarnya.
Iya, lebih ada gambarnya. So you can use your device, begitu ya? Ya, lebih menarik karena pakai device kalian, begitu. Senang ya kalau pembelajaran pakai HP begini? Ya, boleh, sip, bagus. Oke, yang belum selesai masih banyak kah? Oke, satu. Siapa lagi yang belum? Aku masih agak banyak ya ternyata ya. Oke. For the next meeting, it should be finish ya semuanya ya. Harus sudah selesai di minggu depan. Jadi minggu depan tinggal beberapa yang belum saya evaluasi tadi kita lanjutkan evaluasi ya. Begitu untuk minggu depan. Dan now I would like to ask something. Ya. Saya mau tanya. Before we finish our meeting today, I want to ask you what's the difficulties do you have with this narrative comic project? Apa kesulitan kalian dalam membuat komik ini? Mas Putra, here your mic. What's your difficulty?
Mom, I find hard to come up with a good design and story. Sometimes I don't know how to start and my ideas feel messy.
Oh, okay. Only that?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's often apa ya? Sering terjadi. Often happen with me in making comics too. Ya. Next, one more question for you. And what do you enjoy about the narrative comic project? Okay, Mas Fauzi.
Well, Mom, I like drawing the character and making them come to life in the comic. It's fun to see my story take shapes to picture.
Okay, very nice, very good. Jadi tetap ada kesulitan, tapi tetap enjoy ya kalian bikin komik ini karena lebih challenging, lebih menarik karena menggunakan device kalian masing-masing. Oke. Sekali lagi saya ingatkan untuk yang belum selesai itu silahkan diselesaikan maksimal minggu depan pas jam saya. Jadi minggu depan nanti kita lanjutkan untuk evaluasi. Tadi hanya beberapa yang saya evaluasi karena yang selesai baru beberapa saja. Begitu. Ada yang mau ditanyakan untuk hari ini? Not yet. I think you understand what we learned today. Yes. Okay. So that wait, I want to show you something. Saya mau cek dulu sebentar. Mungkin ada yang sudah selesai lagi. Oh, masih sama. Okay, sudah ya. I think that's all for today. Well, I want you to stand up, please. Now, semua tolong berdiri. Okay, to appreciate what we've done today, let's make some applause to all of us for all we have done today. Silakan kita tepuk tangan bersama-sama. Okay. Well, thank you very much ya. Thank you for all of your time today. Terima kasih. Dan jangan lupa tetap dikerjakan tugasnya hari ini. Dan tetap semangat untuk pembelajaran berikutnya. If you have any question, you may sit down, everybody. You may sit down. Okay. Okay. Well, if you have another question that you may be confused in the middle of your doing the text, you may contact me. You may chat me on my number. Yeah, I will always there to answer your question. Begitu. Sekali lagi saya tanyakan, adakah yang ingin lebih dipahami lagi? Ada yang mau ditanyakan lagi? Tidak ada ya? Tidak ada? Oke. Okay. You may return to your own chair. Silahkan kembali ke tempat duduk masing-masing. Sudah? Oke. Ada beberapa informasi lagi yang harus saya sampaikan terkait dengan ASTS ya. Assessment Sumatif Tengah Semester. So, I will give you the kisi-kisi. Itu minggu depan sekalian aja ya. Ya, itu terus nanti kita ada beberapa latihan terkait soal-soal yang akan kita kerjakan di mid semester nanti. But all you have to know is about the quantity of the question. Ada 10 soal nanti. You have to kamu mengerjakannya selama 90 menit. You have 90 minutes to do the assignment. Semuanya essay. It's serious ya. Serious. 90 minutes, 10 questions, all essay. All essay and all narrative. Semua naratif. Ya, ada tentang generic structure, ada juga tentang informasi tersirat dalam satu komik, ya. Tetap nanti komik ada di situ. Begitu ya. Itu untuk ASTS. ASTS-nya nanti tanggal 23. Bahasa Inggris jam pertama. Sudah dikasih jadwalnya kan? Sudah. Hari pertama jam pertama. Ya, enggak apa-apa. Indang rampung kayak wis. Begitu ya. Itu saja dari saya untuk hari ini. Let's say hamdalah together everybody. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, Mas Bagus, would you like to lead me to pray to close our meeting today? Oh wait. Where's the mic? Here you are.
Attention please. Let's bow our heads before ending the lesson. Let's pray together. Pray start. Finish.
Okay, alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. See you on the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you so much.